What is up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Just Another Tuner TV. And I know I said that we were going to be working on the Mazda 3 this week, which we are. We're going to. But right now, we have an issue with the 4Runner. And I'm going to start it up here in a minute, and it's making this funny whining sound. I'm going to try to figure out what it's coming from and see if we can figure that out first before we move on to the Mazda. Stay tuned. Okay. Y'all hear that noise? That's what I'm trying to figure out. What that is and where it's coming from. Like, I thought maybe it's something to do with maybe the transmission. How loud that is? I've tried touching stuff to see if it's something that's just loose. I don't see anything. So if anyone might know what that noise might be, it sounds like it's more louder at the bottom of the car than it is up top. But not real sure what it is. But the car does need an oil change, so maybe that could be it. I don't know. But if any of y'all have experience with this or anything like that, feel free to please comment below. It would be much appreciated because I have no idea what it is. Okay, so I know you can hear it right now, and it even does it when you rev it up. And that's just in neutral, or park. I'm going to run through the gears real quick and show you what it does. Here's reverse. Neutral. And drive. And back to park. Well, I'm stumped as what it could be. It kind of sounds like it could be something coming from like the valves, but I can't really tell. But it's more louder when you listen to underneath the car. So trying to figure out what it is, I have no idea. So if any of y'all think you might know or have any ideas, please pass them along. I'm going to try to get the oil change soon and see if that does it, because it is a little overdue, but it just started doing this about a week or two ago, making that noise, and it's really loud and vocal when you first start it, but as it gets warmed up, it tends to quiet down a little bit. But anyway, if you think you know or might know what it is, go ahead and leave in the comment below, and that would be much appreciated. And also stay tuned, because shortly after this video comes out will be the Mazda video, continuation of the oil pan. So here we go.